To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. Oh, I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the sailing. They can all try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goals. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it. But that's what it takes to get a freedom ticket. Got a killer instinct and it's just the beginning. Breaking down walls and the hurt start thinning. And the more you push, see the fast start trimming. Till you're the only one standing up straight, winning all.
No, we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill.
Tonight I feel absolutely glorious. To get savage.
To get red.
Let's get started.
This is gonna be one hell of a show for both of us, but I don't know, but I feel weird. Are you okay?
Yeah, I got this weird feeling.
Yeah, I know, but
Hey, Leo.
No.
Scissory, what are you guys doing here?
Mr. Gamer, did you forget that we will be doing shows at other wrestlers' houses?
That's this season?
Mm-hmm.
Who authorized this?
Mordecai did. Sir.
Of course he did. So, what do I gotta do, guys?
Well, very simple. So, apart from having the show here.
Wait, what? We gotta have the show here too? Jesus. Alright.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Well, all you have to do is just show us around your lovely home.
Alright, well, that sounds simple enough. Well, welcome to my house, guys. As you saw, I live in a beautiful houseboat. Bought that with my first severance. I guess we can start over here. Best, good a place as any.
Ooh-wee! Look at this nigga right here. Real one. Right one. Look at this. Ooh! PBGAMER living at large, homie. Nice boat, though.
Yacht.
What you say, Mieka? Real one. What does Mieka say?
Yeah. What was that, bro?
No, I'm just saying, it's a yacht. It's a whole different bracket from your average boat.
Mieka, nigga, look at this real quick. All right? Is it made out of metal and wood?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Is it sitting in some water?
Yeah.
Does it have an anchor?
Yeah.
Nigga, is a boat. God, you two really are related to each other. Jesus, this one tried to freaking find a Duncan in 1621. Now this one don't even know what a boat is. What the hell?
Whatever.
I ain't gonna lie, dog. He got you with that one.
Look at you just out here. You really think you're the queen of the gyms?
Can you do me a favor, sweetheart? Could you move over just a tad?
Ugh.
Thanks. You were blocking my son.
You're so annoying. You know what? Today this ends. Tonight me and you are gonna fight and the winner will walk out the Disputed Gems champion.
All right, sounds good to me. I'll see you out there.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Season 10 of JWS Wrestling. And now, introducing your commentators for the season. Please welcome Leo Minor and Scisrick.
How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Is it going? Over here, over here. That's right, JWS fans. It is Leo Minor, Sister here, and we're on a good-looking, on PBGAMER's good-looking yacht home. Attached to her, that is a beautiful arena, and it looks very good, don't you think, Sister?
It's almost like he stole it.
Well, if he stole it in fashion. Anyways, shout out to our sponsors. Thank you for being there for us, and we be there for you. JWS Galaxy, we're back again with a new season, and now it's time to get on with the show. You ready?
Oh, definitely ready for this show.
All right, time to get started with the first match.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your opening matchup, and it is a chairs match for the JWS Gems title. Introducing first, she is the challenger, Veronica. Her opponent, Aggressive Dog.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Ring that bell! Ring that bell!
And here we go. The bell is in there. They locking up. Here we go. Who's gonna overtake? Who's gonna overdo?
Which one of them wants it more?
Let's find out. Looks like Aggressive Dog is the upper hand. Here they go. They are chilling right now. But Veronica is throwing their best punches. Throwing slaps. After slaps. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Anyway, the rest of the dogs on the top rope, we see looking at, what is she doing? What is she taking about? I don't know, maybe she's... I think she missed. She missed.
Let's see how Veronica responds.
I'm pretty sure Veronica can probably be half the men here too, because she pretty much that tough. She mentioned to me one time. Ouch. Now, since Rick, I can't be the one discussing the matches now. It's me and you. What again you say?
What? Who?
It's over already. Oh, nope.
Nope. She
Kick out.
She kicked out.
Yeah, and kicked out. Oh, finally. I forgot all about that.
Finally, the
Chairs are
chair.
coming in.
It is a chairs match. That means the chairs is legal. No other weapons here, says the chairs. Maybe they will have a sit down and talk with the chair, or they just like a fighting way.
It looks like they're just
I'm
beating
having
the
no
crap out of
clue.
each other with them chairs.
She throws her over the. He's like, yeah, man. Really quiet. I'm just by myself. Just by myself. They're just bringing their chairs into the room. And they both had a chair. She's got one aggressive all that too.
So I just do
Let's see who gets it. Damn.
There's a nice explosion.
So overall, that was just a great
Felt that one over here. And it looks like that was too much for Dawn. Beat the victory into the open chairs.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your winner and the new Jazz champion, Verona Khan.
Congratulations on the victory. Protect that belt.
Congrats to Verona Khan. This is actually an awesome match. That Verona Khan is like from went to losses to now a champion. Wow. That is awesome for her.
That's not her
now
first
it's
belt,
time
is it?
to get to the
Is that her first belt?
Yes, that is.
Oh, so this is a big victory for her then. Yes, indeed.
It's like she's suffering more losses than she has before. But now she's onto something bigger now that she's champion. Time to get to the other. Get to the other match. I mean, get to the other match. Thank you.
These pathetic fools are getting stronger by the minute. They dare challenge my power.
Father, you must understand. We're not in the same times anymore. They have grown stronger. They are evolving.
No one is stronger than Mayhem Savage. You go out there and find people. We need to build an army before these insects become too strong.
As you wish.
You think you're smarter than me, Mordecai? Well, I have something special planned for you.
Alright guys, so here we are in my living room.
As you can see, I'm a big lover of antiques and stuff. Anything that's antiques, it calls my attention. I'm very old-fashioned that way and stuff. I used to have a bunch of ceramic dolls in this living room and stuff. You know, I used to put them up for my grandmother in her honor. She used to be a big collector of ceramic, you know, figurines and stuff. But I had to move them to a different location on the boat, unfortunately, when I had it remodeled and stuff. If you look over here, though, this couch here was handmade by our good friends in India. Shout out to our friends in India from season 2. They gifted me this couch when we went over there. If you take a
to do this.
If you look over here, I have a beautiful window that points out into the ocean over there. I get a nice view of everything. Nice, calming. You know, the sunsets are beautiful through that window there. And if I ever just want to relax and watch television, check this out.
Oh, fancy.
This is exactly where I sit every day to review JWS tapes, see how we can make this show better.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So that is really ouch. My head.
Good, Leo?
Yes, I'm fine. It's just been a lot. Thank you for asking.
Cool. So what do you guys say? We go check out the master bedroom.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Let's go. I'm ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 2025 Diamond in the Sky winner, Stan the Eagle Heagley.
I will make sure it is my duty to stand firm in this JWS.
Majestic as always, Stan the Eagle. Flying into the ring.
The Eagle.
JWS Galaxy, we did it! I am Mr. Diamond in the Sky. What a glorious time to fly. Gun Goddess, I told you I would get it, now didn't I? But to challenge Concadas, there are many options. The World Champion, the Power King Champion, the Metaverse Champion. So many chooses to choose from. Like the flavors, Concadas. But rest assured, whoever I challenge, the victor will be Stan the Eagle, and we will have those medallions. We have acquired both the Parrot and Bat medallions. We must acquire the rest of them and then make our wish. Can you imagine how many worms we can have, Concadas?
Podemos ser campeones.
The amount of bird seed we will be swimming in. Oh, we can get a new nest. Okay, all right. We will use them to become the new Tag Team Champions. You have no imagination.
Stan the Eagle, big goals coming from Stan the Eagle. The Eagle is thinking. He doesn't move, but and worms and bird seed. That's all he wants, huh? Worms and birds. A new nest. New nest.
Nah, it's him. He mostly wants. He mostly wants. From college is but the 2025 Diamond in the Sky winner has spoken to the JWS Galaxy tonight. And he's sending a message. He's sending a message to all the superstars at the back, and we're going to see who he chooses. Well, the title of his choosing.
Well, he's either going to fall out of the sky or he's going to be swimming in birdseed. So we'll have to see.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following matchup is a best-of-3 match, and it is for the JWS Metaverse Championship. Introducing first, he is the challenger, representing not your typical boy band, Miguel.
The leader of not your typical boy band is in your hand tonight. JWS Galaxy. I'm pretty sure last night of 3 match. I mean, 11. So there's 2 opponents in the ring. If one gets the pin, then it's like a point out of 3. And if that same opponent gets the one again, then the next level. But like say he got the pin the first time, and his opponent got the pin the second match.
And his opponent, he is the JWS Metaverse Champion,
the best friend of Circus, the Metaverse Champion, here on the Yacht, making his name living still ever since the big old and he's always here having a good time. Going, what the hell on him? I'm gonna let you tell me. Like, Decrypt, are you okay? Yeah, he's good. He's fine. He's ready to. Miguel is.
Miguel is intimidated in his corner.
I mean, not to mention that Miguel and the not your typical boy band has changed their ways and got rid of the weakest link of the group, Moel. I mean, I'm like Miguel. Hey, I don't blame you why you got rid of Moel.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Ring that bell! Ring that bell!
Yeah, let's get this on.
On their way.
Technology versus music here.
Notes versus type. Notes versus type. I'm never doing puns like that again. Don't ever. Like, no.
There's a joke there somewhere, but we'll find it.
But doesn't matter. Good Miguel is giving him his. He's giving him his own little words of symphony.
That's definitely not how you reset a computer.
Nope. But I'm pretty sure that's how you install music. Yeah, you got that one. Was that a good one? Yeah, that's a good one.
All right, we're back in the point.
Oh my. Is Miguel taking this outside the ring?
What?
Ooh, he didn't like that.
He's really going at it.
Wow. It looks like Decrypt is actually showing the circus has taught him over the last seasons.
He's probably still upset over LimeWire.
Is that why you keep eyeballing you this whole entire day? You know, we'll talk about it. Anyway. This is... But,
People in the room.
That's a big splash there.
Hold on, I gotta get on the table to see this. It's gonna be about what?
You tap deep grip.
I don't care if I'm supposed to be on the table, but I gotta be up here. It's better chance to see a championship match, right? A sleeper hold.
Is this it?
Sleeper.
Is this the end of deep grip?
Has his computer shut down officially? No, it has not. It has rebooted.
That was a hard restart. You asked me?
Reboot it. What? Sork is somewhere private. Yes, teaching his pupil decrypt the ropes of what Sorkis has experienced for the years. You being 10,000 years. I'm gonna ask that Sorkis one day. How old was he when he started?
That's one.
Like, how old was he when he started Dragon Fist? Dragon Fist Kung Fu. That's probably what it is, isn't it? But anyway, back to the match.
Yes, these two are still going at it, quite intently.
Hard drive.
Started sending to move. How he quit. And he got him with
1, 2. Oh, that's 2.
Oh, and another kick out. I didn't think Miguel would go down so easily. And members got a lot of stamina. They be dancing all the time, you know?
Jeez. I guess Miguel didn't really like that. Still winding circle.
A magnificent execution of this.
Sorkis has taught him. And he's out. And I'm surprised it worked.
What?
Is he gonna get it?
He's getting the pin. Going for the counter.
3. That's 1.
See that? That's
that's 1
But
point.
they gotta keep the match going. To keep the match going.
Yes. Alright, I almost thought that was the end.
We go. Good. You keep going.
Oh, no. There's more in the match. Now, if Deep Creek was to pull up this other win, then the match is up. And on the ropes. He got the man on the ropes. Maybe, I guess he said he's showing him the ropes. Get it? Get it?
Yep.
JWS guys, what do you think of that? Yeah. They like it. Look. Interrupts with it. Elbow. Back elbow. He hit him with one of his dance moves, his choreography. Bam! Another choreography elbow.
Is that one of
I
his
know
signature
Miguel looks
moves?
like a dancer. No, that's something I made up. He's a music head. I gotta make puns. He's a music head. I gotta make puns about him too. Now let's see what Miguel is putting in his notes to make sure he has the right audio. Here we go. Bam. The 10 beats of the barrel. Well, I would say 10. Well, I would say 10 beats in the studio. 10 beats of the studio by Miguel. I'm gonna start calling it every time he does that. Oh, that's awesome. Uh-oh.
You think you're something? You ain't nothing. Ready? Musical notes.
The musical note. That's awesome. Now get a little note and sample out of that.
What?
Well, now get a little sample out of that.
2, 3. That's 1 point.
Up the tight end.
And
the tight end. Miguel gets the pin.
And Miguel's coming out strong.
Oh,
Decrypt's looking a little tired here. Oh, maybe I'm wrong on that. He's just running around like his chicken.
No.
Oh. What are they doing?
Oh.
Whoa, you got the belt. Wait, I don't even think that's possible. Wait a minute. Wait. Is that possible during the match? Was that possible during the match? I don't even think.
I don't know. It's not my call.
Wait. He's up at you. And I forgot to mention, Miguel has wonderful vocals. Wonderful vocals.
I know right now. Oh,
he hit
he delivered it right to Decrypt's cerebellum.
He hit that high note and it was a penny dropper.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Sold out the concert there.
Mm-hmm. Millions all over the world watching. He's doing it big. He's going to be on the red carpet.
He's giving it to him.
What?
Looks like Decrypt has the upper hand.
Jeez. Oh, he's going for it again. He's going for it again.
Another spellbinding circle.
Spell binding circle. Or I'm gonna call it, or how about I call it the spell binding circle.
3. That's good.
Undecrypt has won with the spellbinding circle. Expert delivery. And it does look like he gets to hold on to that belt for a little longer.
He retains, well, he returns and retains.
You thought
Miguel, his notes
you could get me,
yet
you failed, you little boy.
I guess you can say he's gonna have to go. Miguel's gonna have to go check his voice box now. I don't know if he's gonna
have to prepare some of that warm water, some lemon, and some honey to replenish those vocal cords.
Take a shot of whiskey while you're at it, kid. You'll never be as good as me, no matter how hard you try.
He takes a shot of whiskey while. Did he just say take a shot of whiskey while oiling up his hard drive?
I don't know what he meant by that, but he did say that.
Oh, let me get up the table. I'm sorry. But boy, he retained the title.
That was a match for the ages.
What?
And I can't wait to see Decrypt defend it in the next outing of his professional wrestling experience.
I wonder who's gonna come after that title next, or if there is somebody to come after that title. What?
There's always somebody chasing a title around here.
Right. Well, see ya to the next match. Here we go.
Hey, punk. Hey, punk. You're the baddie. Screwed me. My shot at bliming in the squad. Now, thanks to him, that idiot Stan got the bliming. So let your punk dad know that I'm coming for him.
You must have forgot who we are. We are the Dark Disciples. You don't threaten us. We threaten you. Go find yourself a partner, you complete fool. So me and my father can relieve our stress on your faces.
Alright. I'm gonna go talk to a good friend of your dad. And at the end of this, you can explain to him why you got him in a fight. You just couldn't win.
Idiot. We never lose.
Well, guys, welcome to the master bedroom. This is my absolute place of zen. This is where I love to be most of my time. This is where I write most of these great JWS episodes while I sit on my bed right here, just staring out my window out into the ocean. You know, it's color schemed after one of my childhood heroes, you know, and he was also one of the world's greatest martial artists. JDF, we love you. We miss you, man. And if I ever just want to just come up here and just be all more relaxed, I just come here and I can always just review tape right up here as well.
Wow. That's very awesome.
You know, I like being up here. It's like, you know, it clears my mind.
Well, it is indeed a beautiful house, Yacht, Mr. Gamer.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Gamer, we would like to thank you for inviting us.
I did it, but...
Well, thank you for letting us in anyway. But it's time to get back to the action with our main event. Let's go.
Disciples. Ladies and gentlemen, the following matchup is your main event. And it is a tag team tornado match. Introducing first, Death and Previous, the Dark Disciples.
Despicable plans. Let's see if they can bring the thunder and lightning this one.
Their opponents. Introducing first, Champagne Kid.
I hear the Champagne Kid once drank the entire champagne industry. Bankrupt.
I used to have strings and now I'm free. I know no strings. And his partner, he is the JWS Power King Champion, Twisted L.
So this is his part of the Twisted L. Would you made a better choice, son? Wavius, I moved as always.
I got
Here we are at our main event, the tornado match. There's no rules. So let's see who the first one to get dirty is. Got Wavius and Tuxedo in the main ring, going at it. Oh, Twisted L with the chairs. Once again, no rules. Oh, and Wavius takes a big one to the forehead. Oh, I don't know how many of these chair hits Wavius can take, but I'm willing to see. Oh, from the top rope out of the ring. And Wavius with the revenge. Champagne Kid flying. These four men are really tearing each other apart out here. No concern for each other's safety.
This is who you chose. You chose him. You ain't getting out so easy.
Shut your mouth, Wavius.
Twisted L delivered a punch so hard to Wavius it almost destroyed his arm. Ooh, coming into the commentator booth here. I'll watch myself. Wavius and Twisted L making their way back into the ring. Champagne Kid. And looks like he's struggling. These four men are here today to tear each other apart for your entertainment.
Twisted Spike.
I think Wavius just reverses the Twisted Spike. I don't know if that's ever been done before.
It's time. It's time for you to feel this. Time for you to feel this pulse shot. This pulse.
Once again, hard to understand the Champagne Kid, but whatever he said, I'm sure was important. Now we have an all-out brawl outside the ring. Own Champagne Kid facing off Wavius. See who's the better man here. Hopefully Champagne Kid had his champagne before the match, powered him up. Really putting him to work with these chairs tonight. Oh, Twisted L setting up something devious in the corner there. Oh. I think we might find some teeth in the ring later. I hope the JWS provides dental. Twisted L and Wavius going at it. A lot of heat and anger in the ring tonight as these men batter each other. Champagne Kid looks like he's in trouble. Is this the end for Champagne Kid? Oh no, he kicked out. And Wavius just taking the chairs. Poor Wavius. Champagne Kid. He's amping himself up. And Wavius' face is going to be made of chairs after today. But he still has it to return it back to Twisted L. Champagne Kid doesn't look too well in the ring. He's holding him back.
One.
Is this the end for Champagne Kid?
2, 3, Ring the bell.
Dark Disciples.
Looks like the Dark Disciples have won this tornado match. They definitely did bring the thunder and lightning. And it looks like Twisted L and Champagne Kid slipped in the rain. I'm sure there'll be more to see in the future between these titans of power. Because I'm sure there's a lot of animosity built up after tonight's loss. And there's probably going to be some revenge. Twisted L will be enjoying Champagne Kid's champagne tonight. Champagne Kid's performance. And Twisted L punishing Champagne Kid. Well, don't ask for help if you can't pay the bill, I guess. The lesson learned here tonight.
You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me. This was mine for the
And what an
taking.
end to an electrifying night.
I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the sailing. They can all try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goals. Push myself to the brink, no
We will
limit.
see
Do what
you
it takes to
all
go free.
next
I'm a
time,
little obsessed with
JWS
things.
Galaxy.
That's what it takes to get a freedom ticket. Gotta kill the instinct and it's just the beginning. Breaking down walls and the hurt start thinning. And the more you push it, the fast start trimming till you're the only one standing on free with it all.
Sorcerer, a word.
Speak, dragon, but be quick. I have matters to attend to.
You dare talk down to me. I am a dragon warrior of the 13th century, you fool.
And yet, you are still a beast. A creature whom we tamed years ago.
Then you are stupider than I thought. I come to warn you. You are playing with forces that you don't understand.
Yes, so they've told me.
If you keep pushing Twisted L.
Twisted L! I have already begun to weaken Twisted L. But as honor the fallen, I guess I'll have to tame yet another dragon.
That is a fight you don't want to get into.
Is it?
What's up, JWS Galaxy? This is your Power King champion reminding you to like and subscribe.